welcome back to my channel, T-Kids Design. If you are new, welcome. Before we get started, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and you ring the bell for notifications. Today, I just wanted to show you guys how I hoop a t-shirt on a 5x7 hoop. I'm also going to be making a design to go along with the t-shirt. Make sure that you stay posted. If you have any questions, make sure that you drop them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So to hoop the shirt, you're going to be needing your hoop. Today I'm going to be using the 5x7, and then I'm using tearaway stabilizer just because the applique is mostly applique. So I did double up the stabilizer just to make sure that it doesn't shift for me. Hopefully it stays in place. And then you're going to need also the spray and bond adhesive to spray your stabilizer. So I'm just gonna move my camera closer so that you guys can see how I do this real quick. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is spray your tearaway stabilizer. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then you're gonna grab your t-shirt. Before I hoop my shirts, I just fold it in half, and just to get the line, get the center, and then we're just gonna place the shirt here. The hoop itself has two little tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. That's what I go by, and I don't put it directly on it. I put it like right beside it, and I always get the design right in the center. And then you're gonna open up your shirt. When you're floating a t-shirt, you wanna make sure that the tag of the shirt, it's facing up. That way you won't end up with the shirt backwards. And that's pretty much it. You have a floated t-shirt. Now this is ready. The design that I'm going to be creating on my PE800 is this preschool cutie, and then I put my daughter's name at the bottom. I already have the fabrics that I'll be using. I did apply the heat and bond on it, and then I have my threads laid out here. All right, so I'm gonna take you over to the machine. Okay guys, so I already have the shirt. It's already floated, and I have attached it to the machine. This is what it's gonna look like. So then once it's in place, just remember you're just gonna do this here real quick. Just make sure you have one layer of the t-shirts and not both. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna put the presser foot down, and then I'm gonna start off my design. First it's gonna do the placement stitch for the pencil, and then I'll be applying the fabric. Just have to make sure you keep the t-shirt out of the way. It's done. I'm gonna keep the same color yellow because we're still working on the pencil. Now we have to unhoop the shirt, and we have to cut out the excess of the fabric, and then we'll put it back in the machine. All right, so I already cut out the fabric. We're gonna start again, and it's going to do the placement stitch for the pencil. For all you guys that don't know how to thread the PE800, I know it's a little bit complicated in the beginning. Put the thread in the spool, go around 1, 2, down 3, up 4, back around. And it's gonna go in 6, over to 7, and then you're gonna thread the machine. I'm gonna apply this piece of fabric. That part is done. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put the foot up, and we're gonna unhoop it, cut it, and then come back. This is the same process, guys. Once you're working with applique, it's just pretty much the same thing. First it's gonna do the precision stitch, then you're gonna add your fabric. It's gonna do the tack down stitch, then you're gonna unhoop, you're gonna cut the fabric, and do the same thing until you're done. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the appliques already. I did the apple here. Now it's just gonna pretty much spell preschool. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the machine, and then I'm gonna just fast forward the video just because I'm not trying to make the video to be too long, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So let's just start it. Guys, so I did finish the shirt. I left it inside out because I want to go ahead and apply a piece of the Tender Touch. The rough side goes facing the design, and then we're going to bring it to the heat press. The heat press is currently 270 degrees according to the Tender Touch instructions. 250 to 270, it's okay, and I'm just going to press it for a couple seconds. Then you just want to make sure that it's on there and that it's not going to come off. Normally I like to give it a couple more seconds. I do 10 seconds. That should be fine. Okay. That's what it looks like so far. Alright guys, and this is how my shirt turned out. I think it turned out pretty cute. I'm going to be uploading this picture on my Etsy shop. I did open it recently. I do have a couple items listed there for sale, so make sure that you guys go and take a look at what I have uploaded so far. I want to thank you guys for sticking out with me throughout the whole video. Just make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and that you ring the bell for notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one.